This is Tanneru Hemant Kumar studying in Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering, 6th sem. Today our subject is cloud computing. In cloud computing, we are knowing about the introduction of cloud computing. In of the cloud computing provides us a means by which we can access the applications as utilities over the internet. It allows us to create, configure, and customize applications online. With cloud computing, users can access database resource via the internet from anywhere for as long as they need without worrying about any maintenance of management of actual resource. Cloud computing is the delivery of computing services such as servers, storage, database, networking, software, analytics, intelligence, and moreover the cloud. Cloud computing provides an alternative to the on-premises data center. With an on-premises data center, we have to manage everything such as purchasing and initializing hardware, virtualization, initializing the operating systems, and any other required applications, setting up the network, configured the firewalls, and setting up storage for data. After doing all these setups, we become responsible for maintaining it through its entire life cycle. And the metabolism of the introduction is the researchers has proven the web-based projects are in high demand and will be in demand for a long time. Moreover, this will help us to reach out to new technologies, elements, and derivatives. People are understanding the power of the same, which is helpful in so many ways. Tools like Maven Eclipse, Servlets, Tomac are fast and durable. We strive to make software that can be enabled into new technologies like the fingerprint reader, iris reader, card reader, etc. This will help in a more conventional and easy to use structure in the figure. You can see many types of examinations where candidates are allowed to bring phones but are not allowed to use them in the exams. They can be used to monitor attendance and student tracking. People of different organizations can also use the features and effective measures is taken to provide neat, neat sources. Now, tasks are becoming so easy we can manage all these things in just one click, simply adding or removing a student or mark on unmarked student attendance with just single click. Next slide, what is cloud? The term the term cloud refers to a network or internet. In other words, we can say that cloud is something which is present at remote location. Cloud can provide services over network, that is on public networks, or on private networks, that is WAN, LAN, or VPN. Applications such as email, web conferencing, customer relationship manager all run in cloud. The cloud refers the cloud refers to services that are accessed over the internet and the software and database that runs on those servers. Cloud servers are located in data centers all over the world by using cloud computing. Users and com- com- companies do not have to manage physical servers themselves or run software applications on their own machines. The cloud enables users to access the same files and applications from almost any devices because the computing and storage takes place on servers in a data center instead of locality on the user device. This is why a user can log into their Instagram account on a new phone after their old phone breaks and still find their old account in place. with all their photos, videos, and conversation history. It works the same way with cloud email providers like Gmail or Microsoft Office 365 and with cloud storage providers like Dropbox of Google Drive. What is cloud computing? Cloud computing refers to manipulating, configuring, and accessing the applications online. It offers online data storage, infrastructure, and applications. Cloud computing is both a combination of software and hardware based computing resource delivered as a network service. The term cloud refers to a network or the internet. It is a technology that uses remote servers on the internet to store, manage, and access data online rather than local drivers. The data can be anything such as files, images, documents, audio, video, and more. There are the following operations that we can do using cloud computing: developing new applications and services, storage, backup and recovery of data, hosting blogs on websites, delivering of software on demand, analysis of data, streaming video. This is the diagram of the cloud computing architecture and the basic concepts of the cloud computing is there are certain services and models working behind the scenes, making the cloud computing feasible and accessible to end users. Following are the working models for cloud computing: deployment models and the service models. These two are the basic concepts of the cloud. Deployment models. Deployment models define the type of access to the cloud, that is, how the cloud is located. Cloud can have any of the four types of access: public, private, hybrid, and community. In the service models are the reference models on which the cloud computing is based. These can be categorized into three basic service models as listed below, and we can and the advantages of the cloud computing is user cannot add proxy attendance. The database is secured as it is stored in a Azure cloud server. Student working hours is calculated systematic manner. Since student working hours are calculated with which enables user to easily calculate the performance of the students.